Welcome to the Data Protection Café in the heart of Munich. Today, let's have a quick espresso on the topic of Excel and data protection. What do I need to consider? Find out more in today's video. Before we delve into the practical tips on what to consider when using Excel, a few introductory words on why this topic could be relevant and important to understand. Data protection law, the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, requires companies in particular to delete data that is no longer necessary and, on the other hand, to ensure that only individuals who need access to personal data for their work can do so. And both, I would like to point out, are not truly and ideally representable with the Excel software application. I frequently communicate to clients that Excel and data protection will no longer be close friends in this life as we know it. My personal recommendation is thus, whenever it is feasible, to refrain from utilizing Excel for the structured and enduring processing of personal data, but instead transition to pristine database-supported software solutions, if there is no alternative available. The Bavarian State Commissioner for Data Protection has published a brief information regarding what needs to be particularly considered and taken into account. And now let's take a glance at these together. These are 3 tips that the State Commissioner for Data Protection specifically provides in this location. To start, he advises, prioritize hidden worksheets and make sure to pay close attention to them. You generate something, an individual conceals something, it is transmitted, and unexpectedly you have divulged a significantly greater amount of information than you initially intended. The same is applicable to concealed columns or rows. In order to maintain clarity, when these hidden elements are subsequently unveiled, information is presented that was not originally intended for the individual. And finally, it is worth noting that the supervisory authority emphasizes the importance of utilizing the document inspection function, as it has the potential to effectively eliminate any unwanted metadata from the document. Everything is getting more expensive, only the slogans are getting cheaper. And with that, to the conclusion. Excel and data protection will no longer have a friendly relationship in this lifetime. The recommendation is, if feasible, to avoid using Excel for the long-term and organized handling of personal data, but instead depend on secure, database-supported systems. If there is no alternative available, it is advisable to follow the suggestion provided by the supervisory authority, particularly when concealing worksheets, rows, and columns. In such cases, it is important to be cautious and utilize the document inspection feature to potentially eliminate any unwanted metadata from the document. What else has occurred in data protection? Amazon has emerged victorious in a court case concerning the handling of logistics data, which also enables drawing conclusions about the employees. Link provided in the description. Thank you for watching.